Remark Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol MARK, stock is currently trading at $2.86, which is a gain of 69 cents on high volume. Remark Holdings delivers an integrated suite of AI, artificial intelligence solutions that enable businesses and organizations to solve problems, reduce risk, and deliver positive outcomes. The company's easy-to-install AI products are being rolled out in a range of applications within the retail, financial, public safety, and workplace arenas. The company also owns and operates digital media properties that deliver relevant content and e-commerce solutions. The group operates in one segment, namely Technology and Data Intelligence segment, which provides products and services to customers based upon the data collected and processed by its proprietary data intelligence software. So, what is pushing Mark? Stay tuned. Welcome to Money Talk Sundayz. I'm your investment bro, Stevie Bee. Go ahead and drop a like on the video. We're going to talk about Mark. Now, at first, I really didn't know what I was going to talk about today, what I was going to get into. The other half of the investment bro came over last night. We talked about what are we going to talk about. We really didn't have any idea. And then this morning, I came across Remark Holdings. I'm not currently invested in it, but I see what's going on with it. And I decided, you know what, let me discuss it with you, the listeners to Money Talk Sundayz, the subscribers, my viewers. Thank you for all the support. For those that are currently subscribed to the channel, thank you once again. For those that are subscribed to those on the podcast, Spotify, Anchor, however, thank you. Now, let's go ahead and talk about Remark Holdings. Redditors are currently pushing Mark as the play for Monday. They're touting it as that's the play we're doing on Monday. Now, during after hours, it is currently sitting at $2.86 a share. There is the real possibility of it shooting up further. Now, what's bananas though is that on Friday it opened at just 91 cents and it ran as high as $2.45 before closing at $2.17. And I said before, as of this recording, it is now sitting at $2.86. Now, here is the conundrum that many who are not invested, such as myself, are debating today to go into Monday. Does Remark have room to grow, or is it so overhyped right now that it's just going to run out of steam and begin to dip? Now, we did see on Friday that it dipped. Remember, it ran as high as $2.45 before dropping almost 30 cents to $2.17 when it closed. Now, over the weekend, Mark surged again. MARK ran up again, 69 cents. Now, those who believe it still has room to grow plan to jump in first thing Monday morning and hope that the wave continues throughout the day. Skeptics will note the rise, and like the mantra says, after every rise comes a fall. So what do we here at Money Talk Sundayz think about Remark Holding? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Well, honestly, we're not psychics. This is not Cleo's hotline. We're just Money Talk Sundayz. We talk about plays that we want to do, plays that we're interested in, and hope that we come out on top. The market can go either way. We don't know what's going on behind closed doors. We are not aware of any back channel deals that are being made. We can only go off of what's made publicly available to us and use that information to make an educated or emotional guess as to the direction that this stock will take. So what if you could have it both ways though? What if you could bet on a rise as well as the fall and still come out holding the bag? Well, going back to the heart of this podcast, as I've said previously, this is the play that I'm considering for Mark. Remember, the heart of this podcast is cataloging, documenting, sharing the plays that we, the investment bros, make on our marathon to 100K. Now, I believe my investment bro, my little brother, he will show up soon. Not in this podcast, in the next episode, but he's ready to make a comeback, and he's going to make this happen, and you'll get to see more of him as well. Now, with that being said, this is what I'm looking to do. First off, I don't want to miss out on an opportunity to swing the stock for some profit. FOMO, fear of missing out. So I'm putting in an order to purchase 100 shares. Considering it's at $2.86 as of this broadcast, if it can go up another $1 to $2 over the next 48 hours, hey, I'm good with that. I'm a happy camper. I'm going to sell off before the inevitable decline in share price of Mark. It is hyped. It is possibly overhyped right now. I mean, it shot up over 170% within the last 36 hours. So it is way overhyped, and maybe even more so. But then again, it may have room to grow, but I don't think this run is sustainable. So I do believe if it makes another run within the next 48 hours, that run may cease to continue. Now, this, in fact, I will admit, is my fear of missing out play. This is my FOMO play because I want to get some of that profit before chucking the deuces. Now, let's say it doesn't go that way, though. Let's say it doesn't go the way it's expected in that first play. Part two of the play that we are considering, well, I am considering here at Money Talk Sundayz, is buying a put option with the November 19th expiration date, since that was the earliest available expiration offered to me when I looked it up on Webull. So trust me, I've already started looking before I even decided to do this broadcast. I was interested in, like, okay, what if I can go ahead and buy some shares? Let me also put in a put option just in case, something doesn't go the way I plan. And if I buy one put option contract, and if Mark craters from the overhype again, I'm a happy camper. Because guess what? I still make money, and I still have shares, and they may do another run later, or I might sell out those shares and keep it moving. You never know. But on a side note, let's say Mark does go up on Monday, and it continues its ride for a couple of days next week. And then after that, it starts to really fall. I get to have my cake and eat it too. I make my profits off the short swing if I sell in time. Gotta pay attention. And then I also get to cash in on the fall with the put option. So yes, in fact, I am hedging my bets, you can say. Now, regardless of whatever play I decide or you decide, I can agree that right now it's too late to jump in on this stock for the long haul. It's not going to be a long swing trade for me. It'll definitely be a short swing trade. I learned that the hard way with BTX. I bought in at $12 with BTX. It ran up to $30. I didn't sell, and now it's sitting around $9, and I'm sitting on a big loss because I bought a lot of shares of it. But a part of me is still refusing to sell at a loss because I'm hoping I can recoup some of that, at least what I put in. So if it can jump up to $12, $13, $14, I'll go ahead and ride that and then sell off again. Now, I won't make this same mistake with Mark, M-A-R-K, that is for sure. It's a short-term play. It's a short swing trade, and I'm going to keep it short. I had that in my mind. I'm not looking past that. Lots of folks are hyping up Mark as well as a few other stocks, but what is your take? Do you buy? Do you sell? Do you hold on for dear life if you already have it? Let me know in the comments section. Now, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the podcast. Share with your peoples who are of like mind. Let's get this money. Shout out to Paper Chasers. Take a penny, leave a penny. Woo!
Yeah, let's go. Take a penny, leave a penny. Stevie Bee. Yeah. Take a penny, leave a penny, I ain't got no act right. Say you need a hit, I spit fire in a crap pipe. Road niggas beef, another episode of bum fight. Say she sprung a leak and need a plumber with my dome tight. On site, lady now, this is called a long pipe. She don't get it, guess it's gonna be another long night. Stevie don't sleep, Stevie do that over time. Stevie gon' shoot from that 3-point line. I make it in, ho, new slave.